What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to make a conference call here on your iPhone device. A conference call basically will be a call where you can add multiple people. This can be 2, 3, even 4 people, so you can all speak together, especially in situations where you wish to have a group meeting or something like that. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video without facing any issue and in a much convenient way. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, as it really helps me out. Now, jumping straight into the very first step in here, for example, the very first thing is we need to call a specific phone number or person. But before calling that specific person, we need to ensure that one setting here is actually turned off. So what we're going to do in here is hop into settings real quick, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to apps down here. Hop into apps and then search for phone. So here we go, tap on phone and then scroll down all the way to a section which says in here call forwarding. So you want to hop into call forwarding, and since I do have 2 SIM cards, I'm gonna go inside both of the SIM cards. So go in both of the SIM cards and ensure that call forwarding is turned off. It needs to be set off. In my case, it's already off, so no worries at all. I'm gonna go back and then I'm gonna tap on the second number, and then I need to ensure that it's also off. It's off, so we're good to go. This is just to ensure that it is off. Otherwise, it could interfere the process. Next up, I'm gonna call a specific phone number. For example, this will be the phone number that I'm calling first, the very first person to join the meeting, and this person actually needs to pick up the phone call in order for this to work. There we go, phone call has been picked up, and next up I'm gonna tap on more in here, and then I do have an option which says add people, right? Sometimes you even have in here a plus sign. If you do have a plus sign, simply tap on plus real quick, but if you do not, simply tap on more and then tap on add people. Now this depends on the software version that you do have or that you're running at the moment. So simply tap in here on add people to this specific call and then search for the contact that you wish to add. For example, in my case, this will be the contact. I'm going to tap on call, and what essentially will happen right now is the first call will be on hold. So you just need the second person to pick up the call, and once the person picks up the call, you'll be able to see in here a merge icon, as you do have the very first one person on hold. So simply tap on merge, and then both of the calls will now be combined, and now you're talking to 2 people at the same time simultaneously. If you tap here on I, you'll be able to manage the conference call. As you can see in here, we do have the very first person and the second one as well. Now, if I wish to remove one, all I need to do is simply tap on end, and I can also tap on private if I want to talk in private to one specific person right here. Now, there we go. For example, I'm going to tap on end in here to remove the very first person from the conference call, and I'm now rocking and roll just with the second person. So this is essentially how you can actually do a conference call here on your iPhone device. Now, at the moment, I'm going to close the second one. I'm going to end the second call, and this is how easy you can actually get into a conference call. I hope you find my content useful, and if you found some value out of my content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.